Hello, this is Dan Feetner from Fade In, Fade Out Productions. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a background from a photo in Photoshop 2021. This is the easiest way to remove a background. Go ahead and open a photo that has a decent neutral background. This one had with hardly any shadows. You want to get rid of shadows, so have some good lighting when you take the photograph. Here's one with a pair of shoes taking on a beige carpet. So I'm going to go over here and select the background and then create a new layer by selecting the icon that's the square with the plus sign on it. It's going to select that layer. Click back on your background and then go up here and scroll down to quick actions. You'll see remove background here. Remove background and watch the magic happen. Ta-da! That's how you quickly remove a background in Photoshop 2021. Thank you and see you next time.